Accelerator Drug Development is Thermo Fisher Scientific's 360-degree CDMO and CRO solution. It supports customers from early development through commercial launch across all major drug types and therapeutic areas. With this integrated approach, we're transforming the way medicines are developed. We become your single partner for manufacturing, clinical research, and clinical supply solutions, eliminating the complexity and inefficiencies that come from working with multiple vendors. Because we understand every drug development journey is unique, you can partner with us at any point in any phase of drug development and gain value by utilizing the particular combination of CDMO and CRO services that best fits your needs.
What sets us apart is how we connect strengths across our organization to create tailored solutions. This translates into significant time savings and measurable financial benefits for our customers. To deliver on this commitment, we have developed dedicated integrated program management teams to provide centralized oversight, coordinate activities across our CDMO and CRO functions to ensure you reach your milestones throughout your drug development journey.
When we talk about the value created by Accelerator Drug Development, it's not just words. We have generated significant data to validate the savings. Research findings from the Tufts Center for the Study of Drug Development show that when timelines are significantly accelerated by integrating services under a single provider, then sponsors can realize substantial financial gains. The Tufts research team used a model called the Expected Net Present Value, or ENPV, to test the impact of accelerator drug development on oncology therapeutic programs. ENPV looks at the costs of development, weighs in the risks, and compares them against potential future revenues. A positive score means the program is worth the investment. When the Tufts team applied the model using both industry benchmarks and our clinical trial data, they observed up to $63 million in added financial return and as much as 113 times return on investment. Additionally, a 7 to 34-month reduction in development timelines was observed when using both CDMO and CRO services. Additional analyses showed that the benefits held true whether using full or partial integration, in single or multiple phases, and across different drug modalities.
Accelerator Drug Development is a flexible offering built to meet the unique needs of every customer. No matter your size, we meet you wherever you are in your drug development journey. In the end, our goal is the same as yours: to reach key milestones and bring innovative treatments to patients faster.